Yo, people, this is Call of Duty Sniping with the Russians. Our two Russians are right there. Yo, man, these two, they're pro. You see that? This is all vodka, man. Okay, now down there is a noob. You see that? Okay. Let's see what happens,
Another
people.
one, 20% bogey.
They're shooting.
He's hiding.
He went away.
Go for the knife, go for the knife. I got him.
Oh. He got shot.
He's going front. Going for the 360.
Whoa. This is just
Okay, I'm done.
team kill.
Kill cam, kill cam.
Kill cam. All right.
Let's watch that one again.
All right, people. That's all. Bye.